Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
What is going on? Welcome back to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, the podcast all about trying to motivate you and inspire you towards living your life on a higher level. This is your 1 minute of motivation for today, and here is your quote. Everything has a limit, even your attitude has a limit. Too much attitude is bad, just try to be the real you. Everything and everyone have their limits. For some people, it's quite short. For others, there's a bit more to it all. People will try and be the people that they're not, just to try and impress others that they don't actually like. A bad attitude, a false attitude doesn't help anyone out there, especially yourself, so why not just be you? You can't fake yourself if you act how you really are. Some people will like the real you, some won't, but the real people will love you. Be true to you.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.